Hey there guys, so another SimpleShot pro tip. Now when you get your Slingshot, you're going to want to figure out what your draw length is. So what exactly is your draw length? Well, it's really simple. All you need is a piece of string, a measuring device, and your Slingshot. So your draw length is basically the length of rubber from where the band's attached to the Slingshot to where they attach to the pouch. Ergo, your draw length. Easiest way to do that, hold your Slingshot out as you would normally hold it, and you can attach a piece of string to it. I'm just going to hold it with my finger here. And then I'm going to draw back, pinching the string, until I get to where I normally anchor my pouch. That's your consistent anchor point. Then I'm going to take this piece of string, not going to move my fingers, and I'm simply going to measure it. Here we go, 31 inches. So now I know that my draw length is 31 inches. Now it's important to know your draw length so you can determine your active band length. That's coming up next in a SimpleShot pro tip. Thanks for taking a look, and be sure to get out and shoot your Slingshot.